In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Ledger Live. Now, if you need any Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get your Ledger device, the official one for the best price, as well as some bonus Bitcoin. So check it out and you will also support my channel that way. So to withdraw from Ledger Live, here's what you can do. You want to go to the buy/sell section here on the left. And then you want to swap to the sell button up top. And then over here, you want to first select the crypto you'd like to sell. So for example, I'm going to do some Cardano, ADA. And then you want to type in how much you'd like to sell. I'm going to sell 18 over here and I want it in euros. And then here you can basically select your withdrawal method. So for me, you can get the cash on and then click on here and only the card is available right now. So I'm going to have to go with the card option. And then here you're going to see your quotes, pick the best one. For me, only one is available and I'm going to click on transact, click on sell with transact over here. And then on the next step, you'll be able to basically create and verify your account with Transact, and then you'll be able to go ahead and withdraw your money from basically selling crypto on Ledger Live and get it onto your card or whatever withdrawal method you chose. Now, if you wanted to go via, for example, a SEPA bank transfer, you can do that too. Go to Discover over here. Click on categories and then search for sell. There we go, it's over here. And then you have a bunch of different options to sell with. So you can just go ahead and select one of these and see which withdrawal methods it actually offers. But I do know that if you go to Transact, for example, press continue, then you'll be able to go ahead and if you go to sell, see that SEPA is available together with Visa or MasterCard. So you can get either of these and then just go ahead, select your crypto, how much you'd like to actually withdraw, and then you'll get the money onto your either bank or your Visa or MasterCard card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.